Welcome to this tutorial on how to manage logins and authentication using C#. Hey everyone, in this tutorial we'll learn how to convert an HTML page that is protected by login authentication to a PDF using the IronPDF library in a C# application. For the demonstration purposes, let's start with a sample ASP.NET Core application running on a local server that contains an invoice page which is protected by network login authentication. In the URL section, let's type invoice to visit the login protected page. And before displaying the page, a login screen appears to authenticate the user. We'll enter the username here as test user and the password as test password. Then click sign in to access the protected invoice page. After successful login, the page displays its contents. So let's move over to Visual Studio. We'll now use the IronPDF to convert this protected page to a PDF in a simple C# application. First, ensure that you have the IronPDF NuGet package installed in your project. You can easily do so using the NuGet package manager. In the program.cs file, begin by importing the namespace and setting the license key to ensure that you can use all the features without limitations. Instantiate the Chrome PDF renderer class. This class allows you to render web content to a PDF using the Chrome rendering engine. To bypass the login authentication, set the LoginCredentials property of the Chrome PDF renderer instance. Use Chrome HTTP LoginCredentials to specify the network username and password. Define the URI of the protected page you want to convert. In this case, it's localhost:7276/invoice. Use the render URL as PDF method to render the protected web URL to a PDF. This method handles the authentication using the credentials provided. Save the generated PDF to a file using the save as method. And let's name it URL to PDF example. We'll run the console application to see the protected invoice page converted into a PDF document using IronPDF. And here you go. The page is successfully converted to PDF without errors. By following these simple steps, you can easily convert HTML pages protected by login authentication on any server to PDFs using IronPDF. If you want to know more about capturing HTML data and handling it efficiently, then please refer to the article link given below. It also discusses how to convert an MVC partial view to string and then to PDF using the robust IronPDF library. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And to get started with IronPDF, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Link below in the description and try it for yourself.